Imagine the city of love, Paris, drenched in 1,000 twinkling lights, each one adding a touch of magic to the already enchanting cityscape. Each year, as the calendar turns to December, this charming city transforms into a spectacular spectacle of lights, a sight that is nothing short of a winter wonderland. The air is filled with excitement, the scent of roasted chestnuts and mulled wine wafting through the bustling streets, as Parisians and visitors alike indulge in the festive spirit. As you wander through the illuminated boulevards, the iconic landmarks adorned in festive decor, you can't help but feel the magic of the season enveloping you. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Paris, exploring the city's glittering Christmas lights and unveiling the stories behind them. So, sit back, relax, and let us transport you to the heart of Paris during the most wonderful time of the year. Welcome to the City of Lights at its brightest during the magical season of Christmas. The tradition of lighting up Paris during Christmas dates back to the mid-19th century, a tradition as old as the Eiffel Tower itself. This festive ritual began during the reign of Napoleon III, the nephew of Napoleon Bonaparte, who ruled France from 1852 to 1870. He wanted to bring joy to the Parisians during the holiday season, and so the streets of Paris were illuminated with gas lamps, casting a warm, inviting glow over the city. As time passed, so did the evolution of these festive lights. From the simple gas lamps of the 19th century, the city transitioned to electric bulbs at the end of the 19th century, a major technological leap that allowed for more elaborate and colorful displays. By the early 20th century, the Christmas lights of Paris had become a symbol of the city's festive spirit and resilience. Despite the hardships of the First and Second World Wars, the City of Lights refused to let its Christmas glow dim. The tradition continued, albeit modestly, lighting up the spirits of Parisians during those dark times. Post-war, the Parisian Christmas lights saw a renaissance with an explosion of creativity and innovation. The city's most famous landmarks like the Champs-Elysees, the Eiffel Tower, and Notre Dame were all adorned with thousands, if not millions, of dazzling lights. The designs became more intricate, the lights more vibrant, and the spectacle more breathtaking year after year. Today, the Parisian Christmas lights are not just about decorating the city. They represent a cherished tradition, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the city's unwavering spirit. They have become an integral part of the Parisian identity, reflecting the city's love for art, beauty, and celebration. From neighborhood to neighborhood, each arrondissement in Paris adds its unique touch to this grand illumination, creating a tapestry of light that transforms Paris into a magical wonderland every Christmas. From a humble beginning, the Parisian Christmas lights have now become a global spectacle, attracting millions of visitors each year. The beauty of the Parisian Christmas lights lies in their intricate design and mesmerizing display. Imagine an artist's palette, filled with a myriad of colors. Now visualize those colors splashed across the city of Paris, lighting up the night sky in a spectacle of twinkling illumination. That is the magic of the Parisian Christmas lights. Their design is not just about stringing together a bunch of bulbs. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of light and color that breathes life into the city during the festive season. The arrangement of these lights is a work of art in itself. Picture strands of twinkling fairy lights draped over centuries-old buildings, casting a warm glow on the cobblestone streets below. Imagine the majestic Eiffel Tower, cloaked in a shimmering cascade of lights, standing tall and proud against the night sky. Visualize the iconic Champs-Elysees, its trees adorned with thousands of twinkling lights, forming a glittering canopy under the winter sky. But it's not just about the colors or the arrangement. Every year, the city adopts different themes, each one unique and enchanting. One year, it might be a winter wonderland theme, with lights mimicking the sparkle of falling snow. Another year, it could be a celestial theme, with lights designed to resemble stars and galaxies, turning Paris into a slice of the cosmos right here on Earth. And the lights aren't just limited to buildings and trees. They decorate streets, bridges, and monuments too, enhancing the city's beauty and adding an extra touch of magic. Picture the Seine River, its bridges adorned with gleaming lights reflecting on the water below and creating a mesmerizing spectacle. This grand display of lights in their myriad hues and designs isn't just about creating a festive atmosphere. It's about transforming the city into a dazzling wonderland, a place where dreams come to life, where every corner holds a new surprise, where the magic of Christmas truly comes alive. The Parisian Christmas lights, in their myriad hues and designs, transform the city into a dazzling wonderland. The Parisian Christmas lights do more than just illuminate the city, they breathe life into it. Each twinkling bulb is like a heartbeat, pulsing with the rhythm of the city, casting a warm, welcoming glow on every street corner. The lights not only make the city sparkle, but also boost tourism. Visitors from all corners of the globe flock to Paris to bask in the enchanting glow of these festive lights, injecting a healthy dose of holiday cheer into the local economy. But it's not just about the money. The lights also uplift the spirits of the city's residents. They symbolize hope, joy, and the spirit of the festive season, a beacon of light in the darkest time of the year. They transform the city into a magical wonderland, a testament to the city's resilience and festive spirit. The Parisian Christmas lights, with their enchanting glow, truly embody the spirit of Paris, vibrant, romantic, and full of life. As we bid adieu to the magical world of Parisian Christmas lights, we carry with us a piece of its enchantment. This mesmerizing spectacle, steeped in the rich history of the City of Lights, has become an integral part of the city's identity. The design and display of these twinkling marvels, each year more enchanting than the last, truly embody the artistic spirit of Paris. Their impact on the city is profound, breathing life into the winter chill and painting a picture of warmth, love, and festivity. The streets of Paris are transformed into a fairy tale realm, each corner filled with the sweet scent of roasted chestnuts, the sound of laughter, and the sight of 1,000 lights dancing in the night. So I urge you, add it to your bucket list. Experience the magic, the allure, the romance of the Parisian Christmas lights, and let the city of love light up your Christmas. Until next time, au revoir.